In this video, I'm going to show you how can you choose and edit emails that you and your customers will receive through your online store. So to start, go to the store section on the left side menu, then go to store settings and find the section emails. Here you will see three sections. First is emails to yourself, so you can choose to receive emails about new order received, payment received for the order, and new review received. The second section is emails to your customers. The mandatory one is order confirmation, and then you can also choose to send emails to your customers about payment confirmation and dispatch confirmation, and also invitation to review products. The third section is customer email texts. In this section, you can adjust all the texts for the emails that can be sent.